1.6 billion people in this world do not have access to reliable, affordable, or any power. That impacts their social, economic, and personal lives deeply. The other 5 billion people in this world are consuming the energy, the Earth's energy, as a rate of knocks. We wondered why. 5 years ago, Anne Ozinga, here in the audience with us today, invented a technology and built a company around it. That's called Intivation. Intivation today is a team of engineers and marketeers who are set out to create a new market segment. We sell to manufacturers, ODMs, we market to operators. We're funded by private equity and management, and we're based in Amsterdam, soon also in Hong Kong, Nairobi, and Miami. The technology involved is a step-up converter that takes effectively the output of any size solar cell, always 0.5 volts, to 3.7 volts, which is the charging current voltage needed for your lithium-ion battery. Traditionally, that is still done by stacking up voltages in serially connected solar cells. And everything that you see on the market today, including on exhibitioners here today, uses this technology. We don't want to call it old school, but it does have serious disadvantages. Using our technology of Intivation, we're using a single solar cell plus a chip with our software on it. It increases effectively the surface area of that solar cell, making it more efficient. And one of the advantages here is that, for instance, you do not have partial shading. If you shade off a certain bit of a serially connected charger, the thing basically doesn't work. Our technology is effective in all light conditions. We still charge when there's a lot of clouds ahead where other systems don't charge. It's effective when getting hot, which is particularly important when you're going to make a solar phone or a solar charger. It is safe and compliant to operator specifications as we have tested it. You're going to get a much better charge. Advantages are, because we're using a single cell, is that you can reduce the cell because the efficiency is higher. If you do that, then the whole phone or charger basically becomes cheaper, or if you don't do that, your charge current will be higher. It will always be faster than the current technology in charging, more reliable because of less points of failure, and therefore superior quality. And above all, it will look better, especially over time. The average performance increase compared to existing technology is almost double. And this is in use. And in use, there's always different tilt angles to the sun, you have partial shading and so on and so forth. What this means effectively, in typical emerging market situations, we've taken here Africa's situation with 5 minutes talk time a day only, it's 1 hour charge a day, just 1 hour, and it always works without an electricity plug. The good thing is the technology works on any phone. That could be an Apple iPhone, that could be a G phone, that could be an ultra low-cost phone. This can be applied to any phone. Today, we're launching with our friend and partner Digicel from the Caribbean, big operator, the world's first global solar phone that actually works. It's made by ZTE, whom we have contracted, and it is in fact a Vodafone design. The second phone that we're launching here today is from Comtiva, made by Foxconn. And the third one is an Apple iPhone charger. So you see 2 devices that are tailored to the emerging markets and one basically for the green market, as we call it. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not just pictures. This is live. This is going into major production very shortly. In less than 3 months from now, this is going to be shipping in 100,000s. And we are targeting, our partners are targeting, at least 1 million units in the first year of operation. We have invested in the past 5 years millions and millions of euros in developing this technology, from analog to digital, and we have sold close to 1 million ICs globally in different segments than mobile. We had 0 recalls. You can safely say this is proven technology. Do we stop here? No way. We have a 5-year technology roadmap developed, which will always make our technology faster, cheaper, and smaller yet on the PCB, and the product itself can be smaller. At Intivation, we think we really help change lives of the users. We think that for the operator, we know from one of the operators that was with us, that a 10% increase in ARPU on the existing customer base can easily be achieved. But more importantly, we're giving access with solar phones to 1.6 billion people in the world. If 10% of the phones sold would be solar phones, it reduces CO2 with 10,000 tons a year. We invite more operators still, and ODMs and manufacturers to come and see us to talk about this technology. We are Intivation. Thank you very much.
Very good, very innovative. Thank you.